What's up, my friends? So today I wanted to do a quick unboxing of my new range bag, the Savior ProSema backpack. It is a backpack because I don't know if you guys have been through the situation before where you got your range bag in one hand, you got your ammo boxes in the other hand, and then you go up to the range to open the door and your hands are full. You have to use your teeth or someone has to help you open the door. You have to put your bag down, open it, and then pick your bag back up and then shuffle your way in with your elbow. So I saw this backpack and I thought, well, that's a genius idea. Then my hands are free and I can do whatever I want. And also just all the compartments and everything in it look awesome. So let's open this baby up and check it out. First, this little guy. That's kind of cool. Comes with a little target for some dry fire on the box, inside of the box there. Oh, that's really cool. It actually comes with a lot of targets. The whole inside of the box is targets. I don't know if you can see that. That's awesome. Oh my goodness, this thing is freaking heavy. My favorite thing about this bag was these little things right here. So these are to hold your belt. So your belt hangs off. And yeah, I thought that was awesome. So the belt kind of hangs on the back of the bag. That was really cool. And it feels really heavy duty. Got some Velcro there for some patches. It's got like this top compartment here. Nice and deep. And put some stuff in there. I don't know what's this little empty Savior bag. Throw that in the garbage. Oh, looks like these are like some Velcro labels. You could throw on the pouches that they have inside here. Okay, so down here I believe is where we keep the pistols. Nope, that's a pouch. So the other side, I'm guessing, is where you keep the pistols. Yes, here we go. So these are all the separate pouches that you put your pistols in. So technically this bag is New Jersey compliant. So when you're transporting firearms in New Jersey, you have to have the firearm unloaded in a separate secure case. It doesn't say locked. So secure can just be secured with a zipper or latch, but secure container. So if you had your pistols down in here in the pistol section in this zipper case, and then you had maybe some boxes of ammo up in this top case, it's compliant. You're New Jersey compliant, even though it's all in the same big container. It's in separate containers. So I would say you're good. I'm not a lawyer, but I would say you're good. You're separate containers, but they are in the same bag being carried together. As long as your gun is unloaded, your ammo's in the top and not in the bottom, in the bag with the gun, you should be good. But yeah, let's open one of these little pistol bags up here. Oh yeah, okay, so it's just padded little pistol bag, and then it's got the little label on the side, which is cool, so you can write what pistol you have in there for the day. Obviously, you might change it up, and it's only got 3 bags, but I mean, I'm the type of guy, I don't get crazy amounts of range time because I'm working 6 days a week most of the time at my regular job. So when I can get to the range, I want to take my carry gun 100% because you always want to be trained with your carry gun because that's the one you're carrying all the time. Or if you have more than one carry gun, you want to take that. So you want to go to the range with purpose. So you don't need to bring 20 guns because you're not going to have time most of the time to shoot all your guns. So 3 is a good number to bring, and that fits right in there perfectly. So it just has those 3 little pouches. That's awesome. Okay, let's see what's up here. So that's that, and then it's just got these big front pouches here. Good for some stuff, maybe a little med kit in there. Another thing, always have a med kit with you at the range. Learn how to use some of the stuff in your med kit. Nobody expects you to be an EMT or an Army medic, but learn how to use some stuff. Learn how to use a tourniquet, learn how to use a chest seal, and always have Band-Aids. You're going to end up pinching yourself, cutting yourself, getting a slide bite. Something's going to happen to you where you're going to bleed at some point. If you're at an outdoor range, you're going to get a bee sting, something. Just get a first aid kit, get a normal one, and put it in your bag here somewhere. Yeah, so it's just got these little pouches here. It's got a little zip on the back of this one here. You've got, oh wait, hold on. We got this big flap here in the front. That's what I was looking for. Okay, so these are all the pouches that come off here. Detachable pouches. One of these could be for some tools, for some markers, whatever else. All these 3 different pouches and the labels on there, that's cool, and these all pop off. Where is this made, actually? Let's see. The product can expose you to chemicals, including... Why is everything made with stuff that's known to cause cancer? Can someone please make some stuff that isn't known to cause cancer? Literally, everything is not made and has chemicals in it that say known to cause cancer. Maybe that's why everyone's getting cancer, right? I don't know. Designed in Los Angeles. Okay. Where is it actually made, though? Gotta be China, right? We stand behind all our products and ensure that you are completely satisfied. This product is covered by a lifetime warranty, which covers defective materials and faulty workmanship. Well, that's pretty awesome. Lifetime warranty. Where is it made? That's what I really want to know. It's driving me crazy. Where is this made? Someone tell me now. And I have a hat on right now because if I didn't have a hat on, I look like Rufio from Hook, you know, with the giant red and black mohawk. My hair is just out of control. Well, if you're looking for a new range bag, backpack is the way to go. It's really cool for your pistols, obviously. I was for a long time just taking my pistols in my rifle case because I didn't have a pistol case. But I don't know if the indoor ranges you guys go to are like mine, but when you put the bag down by your feet, there's not much room. So you're kind of kicking the bag, all your casings are flying all over into the bag. So this has some feet on it. So you can stand that next to you. It doesn't take up as much space as a giant rifle bag like I was carrying. If you're in New Jersey, make sure you're carrying the way you're supposed to. Even if you have a carry permit, one of the quickest ways to get in trouble is once you remove that firearm from your person, that is now a crime, unless you unload it, put it in separate containers, the ammo and the firearm. So literally this, boop, take it off your person and crime. Boop, put it back on, not a crime. Pretty crazy how they want to trap you in New Jersey, but be careful out there. Go get yourself a good range bag. Make sure you got the essentials in there. Make sure you got your ear pro, your eye pro. Make sure you have some sort of medical kit in there. Don't be a noob and carry around the little box that your pistol came in. And yeah, get yourself a good range bag. And I really like the Savior stuff. I thought the name was cool too. Yeah, it's definitely not made by Jesus. But it's probably made in China. So the name's cool, but bag's cool. So I don't know, try it out. I'm gonna try it out. I haven't tried it out yet. Thanks a lot, guys. Just want to do a quick unboxing. And if you like this video, like and subscribe. Check out the rest of my videos. Keep learning, keep training. Have a good rest of your night, guys.